Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about trades so far in this week. I may be busy tomorrow and I may not be able to make a video, so I'm making it today. Enough trades already so far, so I don't know if I'm going to be trading tomorrow. So let's get it started. This is the week started on the 2nd, December 2nd. EUR-AUD 20-minute based on the Aussie index. I will show you at the end of the video that how why I went short. It was short setup was there. The nice short setup here. This was I took this one as well, and then this is the one into this week. That was the last week. These trades were the last week. So this is EUR-AUD 20-minute, nice to the downside, 160 pip. These pairs like EUR-AUD, Pound-AUD, Pound-NUSD, they move big. Okay, and that's why you hardly see me trading EUR-USD, USD yen. Okay, those pairs don't move. So these big pairs, they move big if you make the proper entry. That's it. This is one of them. The first one, the second one, the third was I made few entries but didn't close the trades on the third. I closed it on the fourth. So this is one of the Pound USD sell on the 4th December. Okay, it wasn't, the entry was on the 4th, and I closed it on the 4th. And another one, Pound Yen, all of these pound shorts because of the pound weakness. So this is the one. I had this trade earlier, and then this is the one, right? See my entry here, and this is the setup here. Beautiful red candle coming down, blue candle going up. You can take all of these, but I am very selected. I have my way to do it, which I teach in my webinars. So on the 4th, EUR-USD is small. See, this is a small trade. I mean, it's not that small. It's like 50, 60, 70 pip, but still, compared to those, EUR-AUD, Pound-AUD, those are monsters, right? On the 4th, okay, on the 5th, USD-CAD, after dropping all the way down, and then buy because of the USD strength, CAD weakness. I'll show you what the CAD weakness I'm talking about. And then on the 5th, again, Pound-AUD. Now the Pound-AUD is making a turn. First, it was getting strong, then all of a sudden it started to get weaker. I'll show you the chart. On the 5th, Pound-AUD went up, started to go up big time. It went up big time. And so as EUR-AUD as well. Let me show you. See Pound-NUSD, it went up as well. Beautiful entry by the book, right? It was below this red line. When above the red line, came in, beautiful entry. There was an entry here, entry here. This system gives you so many entries. Once the turn is made, you will find entry. Even if you miss one, you'll get the next one. You'll always get a chance. And today on the 6th, you can see this one, this EUR-CAD weakness big time showing, and then this was a nice entry. This is, I would call it a second degree entry, but this is the first degree. This is the first degree, all the way to the upside, 140 pip. And this is the monster one. This was my first one for 160 pip, right? Now this one, look, this is the entry. Red candle into the wave, indicators all the way down, coming up. With the few blue candles, I opened the trade, and then it gave me another entry, but you don't need to, once you get, make an entry early, that's it, and it takes you all the way to the upside. 230 pip from here to here, 140 pip from here to here. Count the pivots. Okay, this is 230 pip from here to here, and here to here is, we can go back and take a look, was the Pound-AUD, 140 pip. This one from here to here. Okay, just on the 5th, and this is on the 6th today. And on the 6th, this is Pound-AUD. Okay, so this is the end of it. Okay, so this is the last one. Now let me show you why I'm taking all these EUR-AUD, Pound-AUD long. Why these long? Okay, because of the Aussie weakness. So let me show you how I track. I'm not going to show all the indexes, but this is an Aussie index, individual currency chart, only Aussie index. Okay, it is not a pair. So if you track this, this is how I track almost every single currency and the pairs. I make weekly and monthly charts, and I keep track on these monthly numbers and the weekly numbers, highs and lows. So this is the chart I made on the October 26th, that from here it's going to bounce back to this. These are harmonic calculation. Once you learn, you will know how to calculate and what to anticipate. Okay, market makes exact moves. So from here, bouncing and going back to 48.78 monthly low, as well as this 38% maybe, but this is a channel, blah blah blah, a couple of things here. So bouncing from here, going up, Aussie was getting weak, strong, and then earlier you saw Euro Aussie short based on this chart was going up. Let me show you. It was continuing going to the upside, right? And then finally I made on the 2nd December that okay, the TL is hit, the 48.78 is hit, and now it's gonna drop. Now if it's dropping, Aussie is gonna get weaker, and then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie goes up, Aussie USD and Aussie Yen goes down. Okay, so forget about the USD pair. So I was after Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, especially Pound Aussie, and I show you a couple of charts, right? One for 140 pip and 230 pip, two trades in Pound Aussie. Why? Because it started dropping, and let me show you how it is right now. This is how it is right now. From right there, exactly from 48.78, it started dropping. This is how it looks like on my 20-minute chart. Beautiful, beautiful entry. See, this is a short entry on Aussie index. That means that it's going to drop from here and get weaker. So if it is getting weaker, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, where Aussie is on the right hand side, those pair will fly to the upside. And wherever the Aussie index, Aussie currency is on the left hand side, for example, Aussie USD and Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, they'll drop. Since CAD was getting weaker as well, so Aussie CAD didn't move much. But yeah, Aussie started getting weaker. Pound and Euro was strong. They went up big time, and I took advantage of that. So this is how I trade, and this is how the things are. And once you learn, you can get trades like this. Okay, so and this is what I do. I do webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4 o'clock. Wednesday for the rest of the week, Sunday for Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday morning, then Wednesday evening, 4 o'clock, to tell you what to do for the rest of the week. Okay, and also, I teach the harmonic patterns, how to calculate them, and Elliott wave and this and that. Once you subscribe, you're going to get the indicator, the alarm. This is the alarm here that beeps when the setup is done. You're not going to see buy and this arrow or this yellow sign. These are I marked here manually just to show you where the entry was. See, this entry is right here, a couple of blue candles. But when the setup is done here and then first two blue candles, there's an alarm that will start beeping. It's going to start beep, 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 beep. Okay, so you will know that, okay, this is the pair you have a setup, and you can just immediately go and take a look if it's a good one, and if it goes along with my analysis, which I give you either Sunday or Wednesday, then you quietly take the trade. Simple as that. Okay, so that's why I call it system. Means the whole system, start to finish, the whole 9 yard. That we have weekly charts, then monthly charts, then 40-minute, 20-minute horizontal lines drawn, pivots and everything, and then with according to our proper setup in proper time, volume time. Forex 24-hour, yeah, but not 24-hour. You have a volume, okay, and then a low volume, you're gonna get killed. Okay, you don't want to get into the market when the volume is not there. You need heavy volume before you make an entry. So this is the volume time. Look at what's happening. Okay, and yeah, this one, and look at this EUR-CAD. This was second degree, but very, very nice. If you're expecting that this is what's happening, then it's gonna happen. Okay, and this is it for now. I'm not gonna make it long, so just wanted to show one more day. Let's see, I have a few entries going on, but if they reverses and then if they take out my SL, I'm not gonna make new chart. But if those trades they go long distance, 70, 80, 100 pip, is worthwhile to make a chart, then I will make the chart. Right, 30, 40 pip, if I close, I don't even bother making those charts. Or sometimes what happens is that I go sit on a break even, 30 pip positive, 40 pip positive, and then it turns around and then take out my SL. Then forget about those trades. I don't even talk about them. I don't even show them. I only show a big one like these. Okay, so this is it for now, and hopefully look, pound newsy big time. From here to here is 160 pip. How can you must get in this system and learn and start making pips like that. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.